750 is perfect in the maple cognac.
I love it. I want a darker finish with colorful accents.
How about the 750 in cherry java?
Perfect. That's beautiful. I love it.
It must have character with a modern feel.
The 750 is perfect in maple hazelnut glaze.
It's beautiful. It's exactly what I had in mind.
It's just fabulous.
It's simply stunning.